Good morning, guys. Today's Tuesday and I just took a shower. But we just got back from Texas yesterday in the around 4 or 5 p.m. So all we did was take a nap and ate dinner and went back to sleep. But this morning we are planning on going to Cheyenne to buy some fireworks. So let's go. What'd you get, Yair? Eagle wing. Well, guys, these are the fireworks that we ended up buying in Cheyenne, Wyoming. So yeah. So today's menu is cóctel de camarón. This is it right here. It looks super good. And hubby made salmon for the kids. Ooh, this one looks super delicious. Super delicious. So we are going to eat and then we'll see you guys a little bit later. Hello guys, today is Wednesday and today we have something to do. My husband and I, we've been planning on tinting the windows for his Jeep and my Jeep. So we are going to go do that today. I'll show you guys how they look before when we get there. And I'll show you guys the after. So let's go. This is the before on my husband's as well. The front ones are not tinted, but the back ones are. So they are done and this is how it looks. Looks pretty nice actually. Now they're doing my car, so we're gonna wait another hour or so. Then I'll show you guys my car. So this is the before. See, the window is not tinted and this one is. I don't know if you can tell. And this is how my Jeep looks after the window tinting. It is very windy. I don't know if you guys can hear me, but I really like it. It looks very different actually, and I really like it, especially when you're inside because it blocks the sun very nicely. We only did a 15%, so still legal. You can still see through it a little bit, maybe. Yeah, see.